Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Telegram account. So first, open your Telegram app as you can see on your screen now. Tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen and then you will find the settings. So tap these settings right here and scroll down and tap this privacy and security. Now, under the privacy and security, you will find the option right here. So scroll down until you find this delete my account. So it says right here, if you do not come online at least once within this period, your account will be deleted along with all messages and contacts. So if we tap this if away for example, as you can see, self-destruct if inactive for 1 month or maybe 3 months or 6 months, then a year. So you just tap this one. So you can tap this 1 month. Then if you do not come online, then it will automatically deleted your account. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like to this video and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.